What's good, family? We in Burlinton. Look what's happening already. Look at this. They already started putting out the Christmas toys. Yeah. We gotta start scanning, guys.
What's up, family? What's poppin', family? If y'all haven't noticed, sales are going through. I mean, money is being made. I mean, people are getting success. I want you guys to feel how I feel. I'm trying to give y'all my energy, man. Let's go, family. So today, listen, we're gonna go hit probably Burlinton. We may hit the Goodwill again. We may hit it. It's a new chapter of my life, so we're gonna do it as powerful and as much and as real as we can do it. So let's go get in the vehicle, and I'm gonna share my brainwaves to you guys, to my family, as always, on the way to the store while we go flip some stuff, and let's go make some money. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. What's going on with you, man? Are you ready? Let's go.
Game over. Money stacking for too long, spilling over.
You know what makes me upset? Is when people quit right before the breakthrough, man. We ain't even gonna talk about quitting before you start. Check this out. If we were in a tunnel, if me and you were in a tunnel, two different tunnels deep down below the ground, and we had to dig ourselves out. We had to dig ourselves out the tunnel. We're really deep, so we've been digging for days. Digging for days. Most people, they stop right before the breakthrough. So you could be digging for days, weeks. You're this close. A couple more hacks at the dirt. A couple more hacks, and then you'll see the sky. But what happens? That final hack, you've been sweating, crying, bleeding. And you're just like, I can't take no more. You drop the shovel, you drop the hat, whatever. You drop it. You go sit in the corner. You're like, God. You start getting scared. You wither away, you die. You die in the tunnel. You die in the tunnel. Me? Man, I'ma die hacking. That's the difference. I'ma break through. I'ma see the sky. I'ma keep going. If I'm this far away, I would never know I'm that far away. I will die digging. You will die in the tunnel. Don't die in the tunnel, die digging. Because most of you won't even die digging. You'll make it. You'll see the sky. We are pulling in to Burlinton. We are pulling in to Burlinton. Y'all ain't even know I have vocals like that.
What's good, family? We in Burlinton. Look what's happening already. Look at this. They already started putting out the Christmas toys. Yeah. We gotta start scanning, guys. So, family, we got some of the stuff filled in the cart. Toys for now are a no-go for me, because I know this whole area is gonna fill up all toys. So I'm gonna wait a little bit on the toys. I found a couple things, but you know, I'm looking for those fast-flying, high-paying items. We're leaving the Burlinton. Hey, family, so we're leaving the Burlinton. Got a little bag here. We made some profits. I made about $5 profit on each of the little boxes, and I forget how much on the big one.
Balance.
What are
Just
you
switch it
listening
a little
to?
bit, right? All you're trying to do is discipline. You're trying to move the river. So
You gotta reprogram yourself, guys. I'm
get the makers.
reprogramming.
Colleges,
I'm
what do they teach?
reprogramming myself.
You want to be the people that are hated or the people that explode? If I don't hate you, if nobody hates you, nobody knows you.
Just got home. The night has fallen. But we ain't done? What you thought we was done? Listen, look, I don't get tired. If you haven't hit that subscribe button to become a part of the family, and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button, because you're not really family until you hit the bell. I mean, honestly, if there was a way you could just hit the bell and not the subscribe, shoot, just hit the bell. Get notified when I upload another video, fam. We every day in it. I feel like this is what I feel like, right? I feel like we every day in it until I don't every day it. We every day in it until I don't every day. So listen, peace and love. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.